Hello everyone, my name is Larry. I am a mechanic. During this corona, all my favorite restaurants are closed. So I decided to build my own walk kitchen. And today I just want to show you how I cook egg fried rice at home without a rice cooker. First, you need a saucepan. Get 1 cup of rice and start washing it. The reason why you need to wash rice is to let the rice absorb water and avoid gummy rice when you cook. Now I'll show you the secret technique to measuring water. Place your fingertip on top of the rice, then fill up the water to the first knuckle. Now let's cook. Close the lid and cook on high heat to get it boil. When you see it's boiling, open the lid, mixing around, close the lid. After that, and lower down the heat to medium and continue this step every 5 minutes until you see the rice firm but tender and slightly sticky on your chopstick. Beautiful. Now let's scoop the rice into a metal bowl and to put in the freezer for 45 minutes or your refrigerator for 4 hours. This step helps prevent the rice from getting soggy or mushy when you fry. For ingredients, I have 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of carrots, 1 cup of white onions, 1 cup of green onions, 1 cup of green peas, butter, 2 eggs, cooking oil, black pepper, and seasoning liquid. Not soy sauce, but seasoning liquid. First, you have to dice carrots and onions. And green onions. Now let's get your oil into a hot wok. Crack an egg. Add some carrots and white onions and rice. Start to smack the rice constantly with the cooking spoon. And keep walking it so the rice doesn't get burned under high heat. Once you see all the rice separate, time to add green peas and seasoning liquid. Because the green peas already soft, you don't want to cook it too much. And next you're gonna add green onions. Last but not least, some butter. Add everything you just cooked into a small bowl and push it down to make sure it's tight and firm. So when you upside down like this on a plate, it won't fall off. The last thing I like on my fried rice is an egg. So I'm gonna fry an egg on top of it. Beautiful. The final step is to just sprinkle some pepper on top, and that's how I do my egg fried rice at home. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see How did I build my own wok kitchen and cook Asian food inside my garage? Consider subscribe my channel, and I'll see you next time.